We're interested in figuring out basically what's different with the non-lesional skin of people that have acne when compared to people that have never had acne before. And what we did was we used a technique called RNA sequencing to basically get an idea of the genes and the pathways that are different in the non-lesional skin. And what we found was that the non-lesional skin of acne patients has differences in genes that are related to epidermal stress, innate immune response, and then we also found differences in metabolism, where it seems like the non-lesional skin has elevated metabolism compared to the healthy control skin. And then one of the other things that we looked at was trying to identify new compounds that could be used to maybe prevent acne lesions from forming. And one of the things that we found was that mTOR inhibitors seem to they could be useful for preventing acne lesion formation. So that's kind of what we've worked on. We found that there was an increase in stress keratins, so keratin 6C and keratin 16. And that was not something that we were necessarily expecting to find, because when you look at the skin, it's clinically normal appearing. So there's no active lesion or anything, and yet we still see upregulation of these stress-related keratins. So that's something that was really interesting to us and is something that we're kind of looking further into now. As a class, they've been used a long time. They've been used for a long time as immunosuppressants for organ transplant, but more recently they've started to be used topically for patients that have tuberous sclerosis to treat their angiofibromas. So there was recent FDA approval for a topical sirolimus gel. So I think that one of the key takeaways is that even in this skin that appears clinically normal and clear, there are differences that are kind of present that could promote acne lesion formation. We're interested in doing a pilot study to actually look at topical mTOR inhibitors for acne. We're not sure if we're kind of looking more as like a preventative or to see what the actual effects are in treating active acne lesions, but that's kind of what we're thinking right now.